Hello students, let's continue. Class 5, subject areas, topic, games, sports and exercise. Subtopic, local and traditional games. Now today we are going to talk about the local and traditional games. Local games that are played in a particular fixed area that is very famous in that area. And traditional games that is being played for a long time as a rules and regulations, as an idea. That is the traditional games. There are many games in India which are played at the local level. In India, many games are present which are being played at the local level. Means that games are being played at a particular place for a long time and people like to be the part of it. Local sports are played traditionally in different parts of the country. Local sports mainly it is played traditionally. Means with a long time it is being played, people take part in it because it is a system of that society or that particular area. India has a rich tradition of local games. India has a rich tradition of local games. Means in India there are different parts where different type of games are being played. People take part on it and that are famous in that area. Some of many traditional games that develop in India are Chopat, Gilli Danda, Unch Neech, Steppu, Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, Langdi Tan and many more. Means these are the examples of the local games that are the traditional games also. Chopat, Gilli Danda, Unch Neech, Steppu, Kho-Kho, Kabaddi, Langdi Tan and same as many other games. That are games which are being played locally at a particular place at a particular level and people like to be the part of it. A few of these games are played even now. Few games are present that are playing at present also. Now we can also play that games because at present time also people know about those games. Vallabhkali or the snake boat race is a famous boat race that takes place during the festival of Onam in Kerala. Vallabhkali. Its other name is snake boat race. It is a very famous boat race that being played during the festival of Onam in Kerala. Means Vallabhkali is a traditional game that played in the Kerala during the festival of Onam and its other name is snake boat race because it is a type of boat race and the shape of the boat is like the snake, so it is a snake boat race. So these was points which we discussed today about the local and traditional games. You have to learn all these points and your homework is learn and write these points in your EVS activity copy. You have to all read these points, you will learn it and you will write it in your EVS activity copy. Thank you.